Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're all safe and sound. What is this? There are hundreds of sounds that we hear daily, but can we express them in English? Let's get to know some of them. The clock has a very loud tick. The sound of a clock is called tick. To download the new software, you just need to click on the download icon. The sound of a keyboard, we call it click. There was a splash and he jumped into the swimming pool. So the sound that you make whenever you crash into the water, we call it splash. Did you hear that bang? It sounds like a gun. So the sound of guns, we call it bang. I lay there hearing the buzz of a fly, but I couldn't see it anywhere. The sound of a fly is called buzz. When I'm nervous, I often tap fingers on the table. So this sound is called tap. The snake reared its head and gave me an angry hiss. The sound of a snake is called hiss. Please turn the faucet off properly, otherwise it will drip. When the water is falling in small drops, we call it drip. Some of the players went on playing because they hadn't heard the whistle. Usually the referee uses his whistle to whistle whenever there is a mistake in the match, and this sound is called also whistle. I don't remember the words of the song, but I can hum the tune. So this sound we call it hum. Please don't slam the door. Close it gently. When you close the door strongly, we call it slam. I heard the crunch of their feet walking through the crisp snow. The sound of something crispy. It's getting broken. We call it crunch. I cannot share a room with you if you snore. I won't be able to sleep. The sound that a person does while sleeping, we call it snore. Do not sniff. Get a tissue and blow your nose. So whenever a person has a runny nose, he makes this sound. Sniff. Do not slurp your soup. Eat it quietly. Whenever someone is making a sound while drinking or eating, we call it slurp. And that's all. I think we have learned a lot of new words today. If you have more, you can share with us in the comments below. And don't forget to share with your friends and give us a like. Thanks for watching. Bye.